Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and once again, some interesting new report now coming out of Windows Central and Zach Bowen that often reports on some really interesting Windows news. So AI, of course, Copilot and all of that is featured a lot and talked a lot in Windows. And what's coming up in 2024 is, and the phrase that they're using is, a heavy AI shift to Windows. So we know that in Windows 11 we'll have probably a few more features concerning AI, and Copilot will take more space. But what we learn is that the Windows 12 operating system, and this is where it's interesting. So the naming system is still not there. Is it Windows 12 or not? And there's an interesting also new idea here is that could they be just taking Windows 11 and making a major shift with it to AI because they would not want to fragment the Windows market too much, especially if they give extension to Windows 10. All the ideas are out there. I guess it's what the new management wants to check out, but it would seem that it's probably a new version of Windows. Of course, we called it Hudson Valley. It's based on a germanium, of course, development code. And what is interesting is that it would seem that that new version of Windows will require a neural processing unit on your PC to be able to use the AI features it will come with. And apparently it's going to be groundbreaking new AI version of Windows that's going to shift and change everything you do. This is what they're saying. How big a change is it going to be? That's going to be interesting. I guess if I want to continue showing all sorts of things on the channel, I might have to start thinking about eventually next year buying a PC with an NPU in it, because that will be required for the future of Windows. But that is interesting. What groundbreaking feature are we going to have? Apparently, it's really, really heavy AI focused. It will be changing a lot of what we do. Things are going to be different. How different? And of course, Windows being in a majority of business computers rather than home computers, which make a smaller market. Business doesn't like change, and how will that be basically accepted among the business users? That's going to be interesting to see. So a possible, probably new version of Windows, yes, very AI focused. You requiring an NPU. It would not be a minimum requirement. It would be a recommended thing, because they would still want Windows 12 to be sold to compatible PCs. But this is interesting look at the future in 2024. I think we're going to have some really, really interesting and a very interesting year in terms of Windows and Microsoft. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.